Start with a big round head. Add 2 floppy ears. Now draw 2 big eyes. Give it a cute nose. Finish with a happy smile. Now color him all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!